Hey guys, what's up? So 2 showing top history to iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called Glow. It supports iOS 12 to 14.5. So let your lock screen glow. So you have all these cool effects with this tweak, and that's how it looks. This is called Reprovision Fits. Fits apps down with reprovision after January 28, 2021 after will crash in chilled state. This is called Lib Bulletins, simple library that displays bulletins. This is called YouTube Music Reborn. So now with an in-app settings and fully updated for the latest YouTube Music version. This is for version 2.0.0.0. And YouTube Music background enables background playback on the YouTube app for free. And this is called Phone Caller 3, compatible with iOS 11 and 13, brings the functionality for displaying live caller ID before answering or even while dialing. So use these popular apps to identify, over 6 billion numbers, so you can, kind of know or get an idea of who you're talking to. So pretty cool, and who calls you and who you call. This is called Friday for A12 Plus devices and Friday for pre-A12 devices, and just JavaScript use for iOS apps over USB. This is called LS Contacts part anywhere you want. Next is called Marker, a better and easy way to move the cursor and select text on iOS. This week is called LD Restart Module, Control Center module to perform LD Restart, LD Restart. This is called No SB Reload, replace SB Load with traditional respring to fix autofill issues. This is called Gyration version 1.1.2. You can enable the rotation of all over all the applications, lock screen, home screen, system wide. Also manage more rotation features. You can rotate on any app, system wide or lock screen. So this update for iOS 14, now the enable lock screen rotation feature no longer enables also the home screen rotation option. Fits the dock glitch issue when enabled together. The iPad solve rotation with gyration and home screen rotation options. Fits the enable, disable, tweak, label, inside settings, code cleanup enhancements. Next is called CarPlay Enable. Use any app with CarPlay. Supports iOS 14 and above. Does not support DRM content like Hulu and Netflix, etc. Next is called Yobon Evolution. Extra utilities in the control center. So you have all these extra features in the control center here. Also, what's great about this tweak, guys, which is CarPlay enables, that supports running multiple apps at the same time, one on the device and one on CarPlay. So you run an app on CarPlay and an app on your device. And this is called WA Call Button Confirm. Ask confirm on tapping WA call history. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.